We live in a digital age where technology is everywhere. From the smartphones in our pockets to the cars we drive, code powers it all. Knowing how to code opens up a world of opportunities. Coding is in high demand across various industries. Whether you're passionate about healthcare, finance, or even fashion, there's a coding niche for you. Companies are constantly on the lookout for skilled coders to build websites, develop software, and analyze data. But coding isn't just about landing a cool job. It's about developing valuable skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity. When you code, you learn to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps. So whether you're looking to launch a tech career or simply want to understand the language of the digital world, learning to code is an investment in your future. Just like we use different languages to communicate with people from different countries, coders use different programming languages to communicate with computers. Each language has its own strengths and is suited for different tasks. Let's meet some of the most popular coding languages. Python. Known for its readability and versatility, Python is a great language for beginners. It's used for web development, data analysis, and even artificial intelligence. JavaScript. This language brings websites to life by adding interactive elements. If you want to create animations or build dynamic web pages, JavaScript is your go-to. Java, a powerful and widely used language. Java is often used for building Android apps, enterprise software, and big data applications. C++. This language is known for its speed and efficiency. It's commonly used in game development, operating systems, and high-performance computing. Don't feel overwhelmed by the variety of languages out there. The best way to start is by focusing on one language and building a strong foundation. For beginners, Python is like the friendly neighbor who's always willing to help you out. It's known for its simple syntax, which resembles plain English, making it easy to learn and understand. Python is incredibly versatile. You can use it for a wide range of tasks, from building websites to creating games to analyzing data. Its extensive libraries and frameworks provide pre-written code for common tasks, saving you time and effort. Another reason why Python is a great choice for beginners is its supportive community. There are tons of online resources, tutorials, and forums where you can find help and connect with fellow Python enthusiasts. So if you're ready to embark on your coding journey, Python is an excellent place to start. Let's dive into setting up your coding environment. Section 5. Setting up your coding playground. Before you start writing code, you need a place to do it. This is where a code editor comes in. Think of it as your digital notebook for writing and running your code. There are many great code editors available, but for Python, a popular choice is Idle. It's free, easy to use, and comes bundled with Python. To download Python and Idle, simply head over to the official Python website and download the version compatible with your operating system. Once installed, you'll have everything you need to start coding. Another option is to use an online coding platform like Replit. These platforms provide a web-based coding environment, so you don't have to worry about installing anything on your computer. Now that you have your coding environment set up, let's write your first program. Section 6. Hello World, your first Python program. It's a coding tradition to start with a program that prints Hello World on the screen. It's a simple program that introduces you to the basic syntax of a programming language. In Python, the code for printing Hello World is incredibly concise. Print Hello World. To run this code, simply type it into your code editor and hit the Run button. You should see the words Hello World displayed on your console. Congratulations, you've just written your first Python program. This simple program demonstrates the power of code. With just one line, you've instructed the computer to display a message, and it obediently followed your command. In the next section, we'll break down this code and understand how it works. Section 7. Deciphering the Hello World code. Let's take a closer look at the code we just wrote. Print Hello World. The first part is a built-in function in Python. Functions are like pre-written blocks of code that perform specific tasks. The function, as its name suggests, is used to display output on the console. Inside the parentheses of the function, we have. This is a string literal, which represents a sequence of characters. In Python, strings are enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. So, when you run this code, the function takes the string as input and displays it on your console. Understanding functions and data types is fundamental to programming. As you progress, you'll encounter more complex functions and learn to work with different data types like numbers, lists, and dictionaries. Section 8. Coding Tips for Beginners. You got this. Learning to code can be challenging at times, but don't get discouraged. Here are some tips to help you stay motivated and make the most of your coding journey. Start small. Don't try to build a complex app right away. Begin with simple programs and gradually work your way up. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Set aside some time each day to practice coding, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are tons of online resources, forums, and communities where you can get help from experienced coders. Break down problems. When faced with a challenging problem, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Celebrate your successes. Every milestone, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. Acknowledge your progress and stay motivated. Remember, learning to code is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, embrace the learning process, and most importantly, have fun. Section 9. The exciting world of loops. Imagine you want to print "Hello World" 10 times. Typing out the statement 10 times would be tedious, right? That's where loops come in handy. Loops allow you to repeat a block of code multiple times. In Python, the loop is commonly used for this purpose. Here's how you can print "Hello World" 10 times using a loop Python for I in range 10. In this code, creates a sequence of numbers from 0 to 9. The loop iterates over each number in this sequence, and for each iteration, it executes the code inside the loop, which is the statement. Loops are incredibly powerful and are used extensively in programming for tasks like iterating over lists, processing data, and automating repetitive actions. Section 10. Conditional Statements. Making decisions in code. Just like in real life, we often need to make decisions based on certain conditions. Conditional statements in programming allow us to do just that. The most common conditional statement is the statement. It checks if a certain condition is true, and if it is, it executes the code block within the statement. Here's an example. Python number equals 5 if number 3. Print the number is greater than 3. In this code, the statement checks if the variable is greater than 3. Since 5 is greater than 3, the condition is true, and the code inside the statement is executed, printing forms with. The number is greater than 3. Conditional statements allow our programs to be more dynamic and responsive to different situations. Section 11. Keep coding, keep creating. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the world of coding. Remember, this is just the beginning of an exciting journey. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and never stop learning. There are countless resources available online to help you deepen your coding knowledge. Websites like Codecademy, Khan Academy, and Free Code Camp offer interactive coding tutorials for all levels. As you gain more experience, you can start building your own projects, contributing to open source software, and even collaborating with other coders. The possibilities are endless. So, go out there, unleash your creativity, and build something amazing with the power of code.